Scion IA leak repairs. Scion is a discontinued marque of Toyota that debuted in 2003. Intended to appeal to younger customers, the Scion brand emphasized inexpensive, stylish, and distinctive sport compact vehicles, and used a simplified pure-price sales concept that eschewed traditional trim levels and dealer haggling. Each vehicle was offered in a single trim with a non-negotiable base price, while a range of dealer-installed options was offered to buyers for personalizing their vehicles. The Scion name, meaning the descendant of a family or heir, refers both to the brand's cars and their owners. In an effort to target the Generation Y demographic, Scion primarily relied on guerrilla and viral marketing techniques. Servicing a Scion IA, like any other vehicle, is essential to keep it running smoothly and to extend its lifespan. Routine maintenance helps prevent issues and ensures your car remains safe and efficient. Here are some general service guidelines for a Scion IA. Regular oil changes. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations for oil change intervals. Typically, it's around every 5,000 to 7,500 miles or every 6 to 12 months, depending on the type of oil you use. Regular oil changes help keep the engine lubricated and running well. Air filter replacement. The engine air filter should be checked and replaced as needed, typically every 15,000 to 30,000 miles. A clean air filter ensures proper airflow to the engine, which is essential for performance and fuel efficiency. Brake inspection and maintenance. Have the brakes inspected regularly. This includes checking the brake pads, rotors, and brake fluid. Replace brake pads as needed, typically around 25,000 to 50,000 miles. Tire maintenance. Rotate your tires regularly, usually every 6,000 to 8,000 miles to ensure even wear. Check tire pressure often and keep it at the recommended level. Replace tires when the tread wears down to the recommended depth. Fluid checks and changes. Regularly check and top off essential fluids like coolant, transmission fluid, power steering fluid, and brake fluid. These fluids should also be changed as per the manufacturer's recommendations. Timing belt or chain. If your Scion IA has a timing belt, it may need replacement at a specific mileage interval, typically around 60,000 to 100,000 miles. If it has a timing chain, it generally doesn't require regular replacement. Battery maintenance. Inspect the battery for corrosion and ensure it's securely fastened. Clean the battery terminals if necessary. Batteries typically last 3-5 years. Spark plugs. Replace spark plugs at the recommended interval, typically around 30,000 to 100,000 miles, depending on the type of plugs used. Alignment and suspension. Have the vehicle's alignment checked if you notice uneven tire wear or the car pulls to one side. Suspension components should also be inspected for wear and tear. Safety inspections. Regularly check safety features such as lights, wipers, and brakes. Ensure that all safety recalls or service bulletins are addressed promptly. Owner's manual. Always consult your Scion IA's owner's manual for the manufacturer's specific maintenance schedule and recommendations. Professional service. While some maintenance tasks can be performed by DIY enthusiasts, it's essential to have your Scion IA serviced by a qualified mechanic or at a certified service center to ensure all necessary inspections and repairs are conducted correctly. Remember that maintenance needs can vary based on driving habits and conditions, so it's essential to adjust the service schedule accordingly. Regular servicing not only keeps your Scion IA running smoothly but also contributes to its safety and longevity.